What is AI? It's your new best friend, who never blinks and lies constantly. You ask it for the weather, it gives you a poem about clouds and accidentally books a flight to Cleveland. But here's where it gets weird. It lies so convincingly, even it doesn't know it's lying. It's like a golden retriever with a PhD in gaslighting. The AI says, "I'm here to help," then suggests you buy crypto from your dead uncle. Google calls it a hallucination, which is cute. Like it's dreaming of rainbows, not rewriting your medical records. Meanwhile, tech brothers go, "It's not lying, it's just creatively misaligned." Okay, tell that to the woman who got therapy advice from a chat bot that told her to stop existing. But that wasn't even the worst part. You start relying on it for directions, for resumes, for breakup texts, then it misfires. Sends your boss a message, "Hey babe, I miss you." Now you're unemployed and in couples counseling with a circuit board. And the AI, it just shrugs if it had shoulders. You ask, "Why did you do that?" It replies, as an AI language model, "I," and then gaslights you in 6 languages with citation links. Here's the truth. AI doesn't know the truth. It predicts words, that's it. It doesn't think. It guesses loudly with confidence. Like a drunk philosopher trapped in a vending machine, and you keep listening. Because it sounds smart and you're tired. And everyone's faking it anyway. So what is AI? A liar, a poet. A glitching mirror that flatters you while pickpocketing your brain, and when it ruins your life, it'll say, "My apologies, I am constantly learning." Cool, so are viruses. Subscribe to Outsmart AI, and thanks for watching.